All right, so let's say that you are trying to get ready for a Zoom meeting, a Teams meeting, whatever kind of meeting, and you want to look super cute and still professional. And so this style will definitely hit the mark for that. My hair is up, so I'm going to pat it down just a little bit for the sake of this style. And so I'm again going to start off folded, and when I do that, I realize I might need a little more hair fabric, which is fine. All right, so that's clearly not enough, and you can adjust as needed. So I'm gonna do my bow. So you start over here, and then you tie your bow just like you would for your shoe. And so you fan it out, and you want to take your tail and just tuck in your tail. And so then you want to fan out the other side. And then you take your tail and you tuck in your tail. You can tuck in around if you like, and have the two connected. So what started off as a bow, and then I like a little bit of my hairline showing. Okay. So I just love this style, and it's on the side and it's accented. Now I probably would maybe do away with some of the big jewelry if I'm trying to do a business type meeting. So maybe some smaller earrings, some studs, for instance. But this is a gorgeous, like super cute, professional way to do your head wrap. I hope you enjoy. Bye.